619! Don't do this! 619 from
Hall of Fame worthy entrance for a brand new Hall of Famer, but this is so much deep. Imagine what poor mommy's going through watching Dom.
Utter disrespect for this young man.
So you mean to tell me that Ray doesn't shoulder a little bit of the blame? I mean, you've heard Dominic's tales about Ray never being around.
Be a part of this. I want to team with you, Dad. They did go on to team, become the first father-son tag team champion.
Dominic Mysterio. I mean, affluenza's a real thing.
But
because this is a very, very deep-seated issue in Dom.
Years since we've had a father-son matchup at WrestleMania. And now Dominic sent out of the ring.